Hi, this is Brandy Jones, a marketing specialist for WMU of Texas, and I wanted to show you today how to share a video from a video service like Vimeo or YouTube. So you ready to get started? Let's go. All right, very first thing is, let's say you're on Vimeo and you come across a really great video and you want to share it with all of your friends on social media. Well, a great option is to copy and paste the link from the video into social media to share it. So how do we do that? The very first step is we need to go to the share link. At the top right of the video in Vimeo, there is a share button. Click on it once, and then when it gives you the link, you want to copy and paste that link. So I'm going to right click on the link and hit copy link address. Once that link is copied to my clipboard, I'm going to go back into my favorite platform. So let's just do Facebook for today. And you have two options. You can share it on your personal profile. That way all of your friends or the public will see it, or you can share it in a group. So I'm going to show you how to share it in a group. So there's two ways you can go into a group page. You can search for the group name here in the search bar, or you can go to WMU of Texas. I'm so sorry, I was reading the name. You can click on the group name in your shortcuts. So the very first thing you want to do once you're inside the group page is where it says write something. Click in there once, and then I want you to paste the link that you got from Vimeo. So I'm going to right click and hit paste. What you'll notice is that once you paste that link in there, Facebook will give you a preview image and the link for where that video is located. So once you have that link preview, I want you to go ahead and take this link out of your text box, because at this point it's just repetitive. Instead, I want you to type something interesting about the video. Think of this question: why do I want my friends to watch this video? Whatever the answer is to that question, type it in here. So let's just do that. Okay, so a statement like this is a lot better than just saying watch this video, right? Because I see these kind of videos all day long, and I need to figure out why this video is better than the next video, or why I should watch this video and not watch the other video. So statements like this, again, will help me to decide which videos to watch and which to not watch. So once you have your text in there and you have your link in there and your preview link is shown, all you have to do is hit post. This also works on your personal profile if you wanted to share it that way, or in Twitter if you wanted to share it there. There's also other platforms where you can share videos like this, and that's like email or maybe in a text message. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or you can just email me at brandy.jones@texasbaptist.org.